12 kitchen machines that will take your cooking game to the next level. Whether you're a busy home chef or just love exploring new recipes, these gadgets will help you cook smarter, faster, and healthier. Make sure to check out the links in the video description for more details on each product. Let's get started. First on our list is the NINJ BL770 Mega Kitchen System. This powerhouse of a kitchen tool combines a blender, food processor, and dough maker in one. With 1,500 watts of power, you can blend smoothies, knead dough, chop veggies, and much more in seconds. It's perfect for busy cooks who need versatility in the kitchen. Next up is the Braun Suf 16-cup peel and dice food processor. This machine is a dream for anyone who loves meal prepping or cooking large batches. It slices, dices, peels, and processes ingredients with ease, cutting down your prep time significantly. From perfectly diced veggies to silky smooth purees, this machine is a must-have. Third on the list is the Biolomix cold press juicer. If you're serious about getting the most nutrients out of your fruits and vegetables, this cold press juicer is for you. It uses slow masticating technology to extract juice while preserving vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. It's perfect for those morning green juices or post-workout smoothies. For all the coffee lovers out there, the OnePro ZP6 portable manual coffee grinder is a game changer. This compact portable grinder allows you to enjoy freshly ground coffee beans wherever you go. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or traveling, this grinder ensures you get that perfect grind for the freshest brew. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker brings intelligence to the kitchen. With built-in Wi-Fi, it connects to your smartphone, giving you access to hundreds of recipes, precise cooking controls, and guided cooking steps. It takes the guesswork out of pressure cooking, making it ideal for everything from soups to stews and even desserts. Next on the list is the Miyoung Air Fryer Want Crispy Delicious Meals Without the Added Oil. This air fryer delivers just that. With its 5-liter capacity, you can cook for the whole family, preparing healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. From crispy fries to juicy chicken wings, it's a healthier way to enjoy fried food. Next up, we have the MultiFunction electric wireless handheld pasta maker. If you've ever dreamed of making fresh pasta at home but didn't know where to start, this machine has got you covered. With its wireless and handheld design, it makes rolling and cutting dough into delicious pasta effortless. No bulky equipment needed. Plus, it's super easy to clean so you can spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Next, we have the Biolomix stainless steel automatic bread maker. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread, all without breaking a sweat. This bread maker does it all. Whether you want classic white bread, whole grain, or even gluten-free, the 19 different settings let you bake your favorite loaf with ease. Just toss in the ingredients, hit a button, and let it do the rest. Who says you need to be outside for the perfect barbecue? Check out the Biolomix 2000 watts 6-in-1 electric grill. It's an all-in-one powerhouse for grilling, searing, roasting, and even baking. Whether you're preparing a full barbecue or just want to grill a quick steak indoors, this grill's adjustable temperature settings make sure your food is cooked to perfection every time. Ideal for rainy days when the BBQ needs to stay inside. Let's talk about yogurt. Store-bought is convenient, but there's something special about making your own. The DMWD Mini Electric Yogurt Maker lets you prepare healthy homemade yogurt with zero hassle. It's compact, so it won't take up much counter space, and you can experiment with different flavors to create the perfect snack or breakfast. Up next, for all the meat lovers out there, we have the Vivor Electric Meat Grinder. Perfect for grinding your own meat for sausages, burgers, or even homemade meatballs. This electric grinder offers high-speed grinding, making it easier to process larger amounts of meat in less time. Plus, it's super sturdy and built to last. Ideal for anyone who loves preparing their own fresh ground meats at home. Last but definitely not least, every cook knows how important it is to have sharp knives. That's where the Tidea top-level TG 2002 belt grinding electric diamond steel sharpener comes in. Whether you're cutting veggies, meat, or anything in between, this sharpener keeps your knives razor sharp with minimal effort. A sharp knife means better precision and safer cooking, so this is a must-have for every kitchen. 12 essential kitchen machines that will elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're kneading dough, grilling the perfect steak, or making fresh pasta, these tools will make your time in the kitchen more fun and efficient. Don't forget, the links to each of these kitchen machines are right down in the video description, so make sure to check them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!